lkitlearner, your personal video tutor.
Java programs can write in a single line if you wish. Or, we can write in multiple lines, as we did in the last example. For our convenience, we write the multiple lines in the program as well as added suitable tab spaces in the program for our convenience. Java code can be made more understandable and explained via comments. In testing alternate code, it can also be used to prevent execution. Double fold slashes were added to the program to add a single line comment. But if you want multiple lines of comments to add, you can use a / asterisk at the beginning, and last you can add an asterisk /. You can use both println and print commands to display messages on the terminal.